Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check CN fans review, so let's start. So I'm here on the page official page of CN fans, as you can see, and I have options that we can predict the shopping app China at your finger tips. So here we have the information that we can do it. So first you have to purchase the order, ship to warehouse, quality check, and go glad shipping. So that is what offers you to have CM fans, and well, you can transfer or send many products, massive products, in a lower cost, quality service, and instant response. If you need help, well, the helpers will help you quickly. So now you can check here the products. If you prefer, you can check here, for example, I don't know, music. You write and then you zoom it and check if there is products about music here, and you can check how much it costs, and then you can transport or order to buy and transport to your country. So you can buy, for example, this one. You check the product, and when you check the product, you check the price, how much is it, how much you want, etc. So you can buy it, and well, you will have on your um, product list. Okay, so you have to register, of course, and you can change here if you prefer another language, a currency. You can change here, check the product information. If you like it, you can buy it now or add to cart if you prefer to add more products. So guys, that is how you can do it. Of course, you can check every product slowly and with calm, and then you can buy it if you prefer it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.